What's inside Irresistible Texts? Upon purchasing Irresistible Texts, you can learn a lot of lessons, secrets and techniques that can get you a relationship or save it. If your objective is to be able to get the man of your dreams, here is a small overview of 5 steps that is further discussed in the book. Step 1. How to be interesting and how to keep him interested. This explains how you can trigger testosterone of a man and make him on his toes around you. Make him feel excited when you're around. Step 2. How to make him feel good. Technique on how to increase a man's dopamine and make him feel happy to be with you. Step 3. Mastering the art of conversations. By learning what open-ended questions to ask, you can activate his androgen. In this way, he keeps his attention and focus to you alone. Step 4. Have an edge. Get that spark. By excreting endorphins to a man's brain, you are able to get him back or get attention and interest. He'll draw himself closer to you and desire you more. Step 5. How to make him lovingly think of you. Knowing the right words to say to trigger an oxytocin release in his brain, making him want to talk, call, see you and be with you every single day. Advantages of Irresistible Texts. With the help of Irresistible Texts, you can make a guy be interested in you just by sending him a text message. You are able to trigger different hormones in his brain that can make him feel great, excited, focus and more, feeling all for you. Second, this is applicable to any man from all walks of life. There is no exception as every man is psychologically wired the same, and since you are learning more about what and how they think, you can get him falling for you. Lastly, it is completely risk-free. For 60 days, you can get a full money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied with what you are reading or if it isn't working for you. You can get a full refund, fast and easy. Disadvantage of Irresistible Texts. One disadvantage with Irresistible Texts is that when used on a lot of men you have no interest in, you will surely break their hearts because it works on all types of men. So it's best to use the guide to the man that you like to not spark some lose hope to other men. How much does Irresistible Texts cost? For only $7, you can immediately download the guide and get the man you like to fall in love with you. It's very affordable, but the content of what you are reading is worth a lot more. It can only be purchased and downloaded in its official website. Don't worry because their official website is protected and secured by ClickBank. And if you are unsatisfied of the guide or you think it's not working for you, you can avail the full refund within 60 days or purchasing it. No questions asked. That is how completely risk-free Irresistible Texts